Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another card making video. Today I have a really fun box card for you. This is my crocodile birthday box card. How fun is that design? I love the little crocodile here. He's kind of dancing because it's his birthday. You've got the balloons and the presents there. There's some candles there in the front, and then that fun birthday bunting or banner in the back. It folds relatively flat for mailing, and there's a spot on the back for your message. And of course I include an envelope as well. This card comes together really fast, and I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get to it. Step 1. Get the SVG Cut File. Okay, here we are at my website, thebeardedhousewife.com. If you don't have an account on my website already, you can click the sign up button and you'll be brought to a page with all of our different membership tiers. We have free, basic, and premium memberships. You can go ahead and take a look at the different options available for each membership and select which option is right for you. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and click sign in. I'll enter my credentials and log into my account. And now I've logged into the website. To access the file libraries, you can head to the Files tab in the main navigation bar. Now this file is free, so it is available to all membership tiers. Those with free memberships can go to the Free Files page and find it there. Those with the basic or premium membership can go to the File Library and find the file there. I'm going to go ahead and click the File Library, and you can see all the different files. Now, one thing that I haven't mentioned previously in any of the other videos, and I will make a separate video here in the future, as you can see, the premium files that are available for premium memberships also live here in the file library. In order to filter out the premium files, if you have a basic membership, you can go over to the Show Only option and select File Library. Now you're only looking at the files that are available for the basic membership. For this project, you're going to want to look for number 495. That is the Crocodile Birthday box card. Go ahead and click on the image, download the file to your computer, make sure to unzip the file, and then we can open up Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to Cricut Design Space. Okay, now that we have a new project open in Cricut Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer and click Open and Upload. Highlight the image and click Add to Canvas. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that the design has been brought into our canvas, we can go ahead and ungroup the design. We have a few score lines that we need to convert, so let's scroll down the Layers panel and find the envelope. Highlight the score lines, change those to score, highlight the group, and attach. We need to do the same thing for the outside box piece. Highlight the score lines, change those to score, highlight the group, and attach. And lastly, we need to do the same thing for the inside tab piece. Highlight the score lines, change those to score, highlight the group, and attach. So we've converted the score lines for the envelope, the outside box piece, and then the inside tab piece. Once those are completed, go ahead and click Make It. And you can see the different mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium cardstock for this card. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, so I have everything all cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. I do have everything all in my little tray here to keep everything all organized so that things don't fly all over the craft table. The first thing that I'm going to do is go ahead and fold and burnish the score line on the outside box piece. Alright, just like that. Now we can go ahead and layer up our little banner that's going to go on the inside here. I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer all these different pieces together, so I will refer you to that. I'm going to speed up the video just a little bit while I put this together, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's all done. Alright, there is our little banner. Now I'm just going to go ahead and add this to the inside of the box piece here. There we go. Let's set that to the side for a minute. Now we can go ahead and mat and layer our messaging panel. I'm going to set that to the side. We'll take care of that later. Now we can go ahead and layer up our inside tab piece. So I'm going to start with the crocodile, and then I'm going to move on to the balloons, and then I'm going to go ahead and just add those pieces to the tab piece. Before I get started with the layering though, I'm going to go ahead and fold and burnish along those score lines. I'm going to speed up the video just a little bit while I layer all of it together, and then I will show you what it looks like when I'm all done. Okay, so here is our crocodile and our balloons. Like I said, I'm just going to go ahead and layer these onto the tab piece. Alright, there is our tab piece. Let's set that to the side. Now we can go ahead and layer up the front cover panel. And there is our front cover panel. Now let's go ahead and put everything together. So I'm going to take my inside tab piece, add glue to this left tab. I'm just going to line it up right next to this first score line here. Just like that. Fold it over. Making sure everything is lined up. Add glue to my right tab and fold over that box piece. Just like so. Now fold that back over, add glue to this left tab, and attach the front cover panel. And then repeat for the other side. Now we can add our messaging panel to the back of the card. And there is our crocodile birthday card. Super fun. Set that there to the side. Let's go ahead and make the envelope. So for the envelope, we're going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Take the inlay panel, add glue along the outer edge of the inlay. Place the inlay over the cutout on the envelope flap. Spin the envelope around. Go ahead and fold those side flaps in. Add your glue to the bottom. With your thumbs, go ahead and push up and press. And that forms our envelope. And our box card is all set. Isn't this card adorable? Like I said before, I love the design. You could totally dress up the background, maybe add some pattern paper or some fun other birthday decorations. Maybe if you have a pattern paper packet that comes with the little stickers, add some fun little details that way. So many different ways to personalize this one. I hope that you like it. If you make this card, I hope that you post it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and I know we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. Until next time, I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next card making video. Bye!